Hey everyone. All right, today we are going to dive into a concept that's at the very heart of every single conversation you have with an AI. It's called context link.
You know the feeling, right? You're deep into a great conversation, you're feeding the AI all this great detail, and then suddenly, poof, it's like it has total amnesia. It's a super common frustration, and we're about to solve the mystery of why that happens.
So to really get our heads around this, we need to start with a really simple, powerful idea. Let's think of an AI's context as its short-term working memory. Okay, so here's the deal. Context length is basically the maximum amount of information an AI can see, remember, and think about at any one time. If a piece of information from your chat falls outside of that window, then for the AI, it literally no longer exists. It's gone.
So how is this, memory window even measured? Well, it's not in words or sentences like you and I might think. Nope, it's measured in something called tokens.
You see, AI models don't really read in the human sense. They chop up text into these little pieces called tokens. And just to give you a feel for it, a single English word is usually a little more than one token. A paragraph, that's about 100 to 150. And a full page of text can be up to 700 tokens. This is the currency of an AI's memory.
All right, so with that in our back pocket, let's make this real. An 8K token window, what does that actually mean?
Well, it can hold about 6 pages of text. Not bad, right? Kind of like a short report or an essay.
But then you jump to a 32K window, and that scales things up big time. We're talking roughly 25 pages.
Now you can fit a whole chapter of a book in there, letting the AI hold so much more information in its head at once.
And then you get to the big leagues. Some of the newest models are rocking a 128K context window, and that is enough to hold
an entire small book. I mean, just think about that for a second. It's a massive, massive leap in how much information these things can process in one go.
Okay, so this is absolutely critical. What's actually filling up that limited space? Well, everything. It's your initial instructions. It's the entire back and forth chat history up to that point, any documents or code you've handed it, and the question you just asked. It all has to squeeze in there. And if it doesn't fit, the oldest stuff just gets kicked out. Gone.
So why does any of this matter? Why is a bigger window such a complete game changer for what we can do with these models?
When it comes to just having a conversation, the difference is, well, it's night and day. With a small context, the AI gets lost pretty quick. It forgets what you were talking about just a few minutes ago. But with a big context, it remembers the entire conversation. The flow is there. You can have these really deep, coherent dialogues.
And for complex stuff like coding or digging through documents, it's even more important. I mean, try getting an AI with a small context to understand a big chunk of code. It's going to lose track of everything. But a large context, it can swallow an entire code base or a huge PDF in one go. And that is just incredibly powerful.
But hold on, here's where it gets a little tricky. It's not as simple as bigger is always better, not by a long shot. There are some serious trade-offs we need to talk about.
First things first, and let's be super clear about this. Context length is not long-term memory. It's temporary. It's just for the task at hand. The best way to think about it is like the AI's desk space. Once you're done, the whole desk gets wiped clean. It's not a library where it stores old information for the next time you chat.
And that leads to some very real pros and cons. On the plus side, yeah, a bigger context means better reasoning and fewer mistakes because the AI has all the info right there. But on the flip side, it costs way more to run, it can be a lot slower to get a response, and sometimes, and this is a weird one, the AI's attention gets diluted. It's like trying to find a needle in a giant haystack. It might just miss that one key detail you need.
So, after all that, what's the simple takeaway? Well, it really boils down to this fantastic rule of thumb.
I absolutely love this phrase, same brain, bigger desk. It just nails the concept, doesn't it? Expanding the context doesn't make the AI smarter. It's not getting a new brain. It's just getting a bigger desk to spread its work out on.
Let's make this super simple. A small context window? That's like working with a single sticky note. You can only fit a few thoughts on there.
A medium context? That's an upgrade to a whiteboard. Okay, now we're talking. You can map out ideas, connect the dots.
But a large context? That's like having an entire notebook. You can keep detailed records, flip back to previous pages. You can manage a whole project's worth of information right there.